Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the benchmark test on the day one after unboxing in the Realme 10 Pro Plus device. So this is a Realme 10 Pro Plus which has got the Dimensity 1080 processor, and just now I did upload the videos on the unboxing, and right now I'm going to do the benchmark test using with the high performance mode on the day one after unboxing. As you can see friends, Dimensity 1080 processor, and you can see the Realme 10 Pro Plus as well. And right now I'll try to use with the high performance mode, and then I'll try to perform the test. And in this way we'll try to see what will be the high scores you can actually expect in the Realme 10 Pro Plus smartphone. And I did do the benchmark test without using any high performance mode. This is the scores which I got on the day one, and now I'm going to use the high performance mode, then I'm trying to do the testing as well. And right now I'm not using any external RAM capabilities. Without any external RAM capabilities, I'm going to do the test given the benchmark scores. And we'll try to monitor the temperatures as well, how much high temperatures it can actually increase. And before starting the test, the temperatures are 27 degrees Celsius. And again I'll be back after some time again to check the temperatures. So what's going on in the Realme 10 Pro Plus smartphone on the day one after quick unboxing in this device. And let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to upload on this particular Realme 10 Pro Plus smartphone. Let me know in the comment section below. So right now the test is going on friends, and again I'll be back after some time again to check the temperatures in the Realme 10 Pro Plus smartphone. Right now as you can see friends, after reaching close to 72%, look at the temperatures. So it was able to maintain pretty good temperatures, not bad. It did not increase much as well. And again I'll be back after some time at the end of the test results to check overall performance scores using with the high performance mode with the 8GB RAM version and the Dimensity 1080 processor. And we'll try to find out the results, what's going on. But definitely friends, this phone feels pretty lightweight for the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and the display is also really very good in this device. These two things which I did like especially in this device. So if you're looking from the front, you don't feel like you are using the Realme phone. That's the first time I felt, because the front side design borderless bezels as well. And I will be back after some time again to check the overall scores. So friends, even with using the high performance mode, still it scored the same kind of results, 5,16,000, same results. It did not increase much. So let me to compare the two results. I'll try to take the screenshot right now. And the screenshot has been taken, and now let's go to the gallery, and here we go. So this is a test which I did do without using any high performance mode on the day one. This test with using high performance mode. I didn't find any kind of huge difference going on. The temperatures increased both times pretty similar, 31 and 32 degrees Celsius. Battery dropped by 3% and 2%. That's not a huge battery drop as well. So overall friends, I think the benchmark scores are kind of pretty consistent with and without high performance mode. And one more thing, I am not using any expanded RAM expansion as well while performing this test. No RAM expansion has been added. Maybe next time I'll try to use the RAM expansion, then I'll try to do the test as well. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.